Enter.
Hello.
Enter.
Why is there 2 tasks?
Oh, that's what you have to find out.
But which one do I open first?
Oh, probably that one.
Which one?
Probably that one.
Oh wait, which one?
That one.
That one?
Okay. Nothing in there.
How are you feeling?
Huh?
How are you feeling?
Like I should have gone to the toilet.
Okay, fair enough. Hopefully it doesn't take you too long for this one then.
Unlock the padlock in the trolley.
Solve my puzzles. 4.
Without leaving the door.
Envelopes. What? Envelopes you will find to help you in time.
Your time starts now.
Okay. Well, is that meant to not have anything in it?
You got 4 puzzles.
All the information's on the task.
It's not all the information's on the task.
Oh.
Everything, the end of everywhere. So E. Okay, E. Thought it might be 5 letter because it's the 5th letter in the alphabet.
Okay.
T. That's got 2 dots on it. That's got 1 dot on it.
So what numbers do you think you've got so far?
4, 2, and 1. Oh, sorry, 5, 2, and 1. I think. Yeah, 5, 2, and 1. I think. Which. Next.
Yeah.
2 in it, I think. I think I might have 5, 2, 2, and 4. So a figure of 8. Okay, 8. 4, 2, 8.
Well done, Liam. Take it in.
I mean, I swear to God, if you've just done 0, 0, 0.
Right, it's not 0, 0, 0.
I'm the beginning of everything, the end of everywhere.
Not 0, 0, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4.
I'm basically just going around looking for envelopes at the moment. There's another one.
What's the trolley for? Is there anything on the trolley?
How many envelopes have you found so far?
1, 2, 3. 3 envelopes. That could be 4, 4, 3.
Talk me through your thought process.
I'm thinking you're a prick.
So it's not 4 puzzles, 4 envelopes.
It might be. All the information's on the top.
4, is it? So I've tried that.
Why do they have nothing in them?
There was something with that envelope.
Thanks.
4. Right, so that's a red herring.
It's not a red herring.
What do you mean it's not a red herring?
Okay. Number 2.
Depends if you think that I find that one first or that one. And I'm guessing this is 8 because of this.
There's one over here, so
Yep.
there's 2 onion rings randomly. So far we've got a 4, 2 and an 8.
I don't understand the riddle. In the beginning of eternity, E, and the end of time and space. E. E. It's E.
Okay.
It's E. But what does E mean?
So that's the padlock,
Indeed.
and that's the trolley.
It is correct.
So there's nothing wrong with that. We've established that.
Mm-hmm.
What's in your hand?
Nothing. It's just the timer.
For fuck's sake.
Got a 2, a 4 and an 8 so far. Which means I just need to guess the last number and the right combination.
So by that logic, is 5 then the first and last number of the code?
17. Because I ate one.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
How to open a padlock without a key in 5 seconds? This is what I need.
69.
Did it work?
No.
Oh, you're so annoying.
Saying what you see.
Yeah, well, saying what I see is not cool.
How to crack combination locks. Code setters. Wait!
I am the beginning of everything, which is before. 4? 4 o'clock. 4.
There's not a single 4 in the number lock.
Well, what the fuck is this then?
Oh yeah, there is a 4 in the number lock.
Fucking hell! You can't even set the. Oh!
So what? I'm just going to work with the numbers that I've actually know I've got, otherwise I'll be here forever.
Test each wheel to find the one with the most resistance.
I mean, they all feel the same.
Have you got another padlock?
No.
So I can't break it.
I
Give up?
love, yes.
The answer to the riddle is E.
Huh?
E.
E.
Yeah.
I don't get the riddle.
I can't give you the answer. Would you like to call it quits? I think you should.
Do your maths.
There's no maths in it.
There's maths
That was
classes
literature.
everywhere.